I, George Timung, as a General Secretary of Karbi Student Association, Central Executive Committee, I would like to appeal to all the Bajar committees or the town committees all over both Karbi Anglong and West Karbi Anglong under the jurisdiction of Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council and other stakeholders that all shopkeepers, all stakeholders may open their institutes or their shops, except the Biharis. Because we cannot take the risk. If any untoward incident happen to their shop or their institute, we are not responsible. I repeat again, any shop or any institute belonging to Biharis all over Karbi Anglong, both East and West Karbi Anglong, under the jurisdiction of Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council, they cannot open their shop or institutes because we cannot take the risks. If any untoward incident happen to them or their institutes, we are not responsible for that. Because the sentiment of the people of this region and this land, because we were being attacked not only once, but twice. The sentiment in the people of our people are still very strong. Therefore, this is my humble request on behalf of the Karbi Student Association that if any untoward incident happens to you and to your institute or your shops, please don't blame us. This is my official request and humble request to you all. Thank you.